will really help you. Yeah, for about 2 years now, we have not sold gold. We only buy gold. Yeah. So we only buy. We have not sold, and we have not lose money because of gold has been going up every day, every day, every day, every day, every day. It's going up. I hope you can hear me. So gold has been going up, and it has not dropped. And we got information on time that there's no chance of gold dropping. So gold has been going up. So for 2 years now, we have not lost money in gold. Yeah, for 2 years we have not lost any money in gold. Mm. Oh, okay. The automated platform to find, but that one is different from the strategy of gold hedging. It's a bit different as well. But I'm just talking about on a general sense. It has not really. We have not sold gold, and we have not really don't have any plan of selling gold, and we'll be making a good amount of profit. So what we're gonna do, you need to join us and join the brokers we are using. So sometimes the brokers you're using can also help you lose money. Just like what I was saying now, some of you are just using a lot of brokers that are very much dangerous to your strategy, but because they are popular, so I think that that is the right broker. You need to try with a broker that give you the best market condition. Oh, you're using Profem. Yeah, I know sometimes you guys can use $1,000 and buy $100,000 account. Mm. But you know that from Profem statistics, they say only 1% succeed. Hmm. Why on a normal trading on a normal trading, about 30% succeed. So which one is the best? I will come back. I always come back. Mm. I come back and go. I come back and go. Yeah. Mm. What part of Nigeria are you? Are you from Kaduna or Zaria or oh, oh. So how do you hear about me? Me. How did you get to know me? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Somebody's asking me why did oil price drop today? So the reason oil price dropped today is because of the OPEC people. They moved to balance a 2026 outlook. That's why the price of oil dropped. Who asked me that question? That's Promise H2. Mm. So that's the reason why the price of oil dropped. So it will still go up. In case you are buying, probably maybe at a loss. We bought last week, we didn't gain it. So the one we are buying now, we have not gained it, but we still gain. Yeah. So that's why the price of oil. Okay, so you saw me on Google. Oh, okay, that's very nice. Yeah, I thank Nigerians for nice publicity. For me, I'm a private person. I don't really like to do more of public stuff, but I have a good audience and publicity. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. So what you have to do if you have money, I would rather say you should trade normal with your own money and with your own strategy instead of using pro firm, because some of this pro firm may not give you good condition. They may contribute how to where you are losing money. Maybe you could join us and maybe try to trade normal first. Even if you see your own money, you trade normal to see how far you could go. And of course, your own money, they won't ask you to. They won't. Your own money now. You won't say 6% drawdown. You may have about 10% or 15% drawdown on your own money and still recover and make profit. But where you are using a pro firm that give you only 5% drawdown, that's what they will take. Sometimes they can cut you off on 4% because some of them may have a widened margin, a kind of widened leverage, or yeah, sorry, a widened spread that could cost you to cut your trade on time. So you know what I mean? Because of the ideal of pro firm these days is not for you to succeed, it's for you to keep subscribing and paying them money almost every time. So you could just maybe use your own money to trade for some time and grow from there instead of buying money on pro firm and you keep losing it with the hope of gaining money one day. So I'm also thinking BTC will also drop. Yeah, it most likely gonna drop, but I'm not a Bitcoin trader. I'm not a cryptocurrency trader, but I've seen the post by a lot of people that Bitcoin may drop to 80,000 or something. I've seen some posts today. People were talking about it, but I'm not really sure whether it's gonna drop or not. I've also seen some posts that it will go to 50, additional 50%. That it will go to 200,000 in the future, but I'm not really sure whether it's gonna get there or not. So gold. Yeah, we have information that gold is gonna get to 5,000 plus. Yeah, we have the information that was around April. So it is currently trading at let me check the price at 4,195. So most likely it may continue get if you get to 4,500, it may most likely get to 5,000. It's just a matter of time. Yeah. So we don't have a chance, any plan of consistently selling gold. Or rather, we have a plan of buying gold as much as possible. Mm. You need to learn proper how to trade. As you know how to buy and sell. How to trade is a different thing. Start understanding some potential entries. Like last week, we talk about the entry. We talk about the entry when it was 3,974. We talk about it when it was 4,081. Now it's now 4,194. Those potential entries can help you make profit in trading. Mm. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So we also talk about making about $8,000 profit on gold. Look at it. Look at it. We are trying to make $8,000 profit on gold. That is with 20 lot size, and that was when the price was here. When the price was here. So we said if you get to this point, it will give us 8,000. So it has almost gotten to that point. Yeah, almost gotten to this from here to this point. Yeah, it's almost gotten to that point, which will give us $8,000 profit. So that's 400 pips. From here to this point now is 300 pips. So it's remaining about it's remaining about 100 pips to get to that to get to 4,400 pips, which will make $8,000 profit. So we have already making profit since we dropped it since I think since last week. Yeah. Mm. Please, I was a student. Guys, if you want to learn trading, which program school, yeah. Yeah, thank you so much. Sorry? Yeah, yeah, probably he's there. Since he says he was my student, probably he must be maybe in there. So this account will give us $8,000 profit. So we started trading it since last week. So it remained 400 people to complete it so that we can make $8,000. Look at where we send it. Mm, as you can see. So that's so this is like technically how we trade and how we analyze. So before we make any investment, which you call trading, we have to know the potential returns on investment and the reason why we have to go into that investment. It's just as simple as that. Yeah. So if you want to join us like that, then you're also welcome to join us, and you make your own money. Yeah, it says you're on my Telegram group. Since you said you're on the Telegram group, fine. Just join through the Telegram, and make sure you get our WhatsApp. You contact us. Then, if you like to trade with the brokers we are using, then yes, that's the broker we are using. Is even the first stage. Joining those brokers so that it will help us to get into you. So when we drop analysis, then you make execution directly. It's as simple as that. But if you want to learn like more advanced, maybe you may have to pay a little token. Since you're already a trader, you may do like refresher course for us, so we can be able to teach you properly how to scale and how to trade. Then even if you go back to the pro forma account, you may also discover that you'll be doing much well on it. Oh, okay. Because of you have 15 days time to trade to stay for your withdrawal, right? Mm. Oh my God. So, but will you still get payout? Nice one. Nice one. Yeah. Uh, that's where we talk about strategy and objective. So, those strategy and objective helps you to know the exit point. Like as you see now, we are targeting $8,000 profit. So we already know where we have to exist. So those things help you know your exit points, your entry, and everything. So we don't really speculate. We try to know what we are doing. Mm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can message me directly, but not now that I'm on live, because I won't be able to respond to it. Although I plan to leave this live now in the next 5 minutes. So, guys, anyone that want to ask me question, you are free to ask me in 5 minutes time. Let me plan to my know if I can. Sorry, USJPY. What are we doing on this currency then? Let me check it. USJPY. USDJPY. USDJPY. Oh, me help you patch the profile account. How? Uh, uh, okay, that means I'm also making you rich. No, USDJPY is already is bullish trend, but it may continue going up a bit, most likely. Mm. No, it will continue. It may get to 1,155,609. It may get to that point. And if you get to that point, it may go to 157. So there's no sign of sell on it for now. USJPY. So let me show you. Um, How do I do this? Yeah, so look at it. So it's been broken or the this is the next support we're gonna experience, which is 1.159. Sorry, next support is 158.867. Yeah. So, and this is the current price now. The current price is 155.035. So if you go on daily, like if you check it on daily, so there's no resistance now because of the most recent small minor resistance, which was 1541515 has been broken. So there may be chances of the market of the pair continuously going up because of the US dollar is gaining strength this week, and last week it gained strength as well. Because and they also want to do the call back. You know that they were on shutdown and they wanted to call back. What's the best bet trade mostly for beginner? Must it be a beginner? Kitren, but most popular pair is Zero USD. That's the most popular pair. Mm. So somebody said talk about psychology. Trend psychology is simple. What I will tell you is be greedy when others are afraid and be afraid when others are greedy. That's the psychology that you need to understand. Be greedy when others are afraid and be afraid when others are greedy. Mm. Yo, sorry. I will go. No, no, I'm still working, but I will end the live and go back to work. I'm on my system. As you can see, I'm sitting down. So I will end the live. Somebody sent me on YouTube, say, please, can you show the screen? Oh, I was not showing my screen here on the YouTube. This was the screen I was showing. You know, people on my YouTube don't know that I'm here. I was showing a different thing. Let me know if I can show you my screen on the YouTube share screen. Yeah. So I was showing you this particular screen. Mm. So yeah, that was the screen I was showing. So but I am working, so I just wanted to be here for approximately 30 minutes, but I've spent more than 30 minutes, so that's why I'm trying to end the meeting as soon as possible now, especially now that I don't have much people connecting. Yeah, and I also want to know if I can go live on TikTok. I've not been on TikTok for a long time. Mm. Yeah. I want to know if I can go on TikTok, spend some maybe 30 minutes or 45 minutes there. Just search for my name, you see it there. I don't even know the handle, but I know that if you search for my name, you see it there. Yeah, but if you see me, you will know because I'll be live. Mm. You too. Thank you so much, everyone who connected with me. We had some audience today, and it's been wonderful time speaking to you guys. So if you want to join me, you know where to find me.